Ever wondered how to grow your own aloe vera plant at home? Aloe vera is not only an excellent plant for its medicinal properties, but it's also quite easy to grow and maintain. This versatile plant thrives in a pot or in the garden, adding a touch of green to your space. So, how do you start? First, you need an aloe vera plant or a baby plant, also known as a pup. You can get these from a nursery or even from a mature plant if you have one. Next, select a pot that's as wide as it is deep. Aloe vera plants have a lot of roots, so they need room to grow. Select a well-draining pot that is at least 8 inches in diameter. Aloe vera plants have shallow root systems, so a wide pot is better than a deep one. Fill the pot with cactus soil or a mix of potting soil and sand for good drainage. Now, you're ready to plant. Make a hole in the soil and gently place the aloe vera pup in it. Cover the roots with soil, but be careful not to bury the leaves. Watering is crucial. Aloe vera plants are succulents. They don't need a lot of water, in fact. Overwatering can harm the plant. So, water it thoroughly and then let the soil dry out completely before watering again. Place your plant in a sunny spot, but not in direct sunlight, which can burn the leaves. Aloe vera plants can also tolerate some direct sunlight, but too much can scorch the leaves. Aloe vera plants prefer temperatures between 60-75 degree F, 15-24 degree F, 15. Trim off any damaged or dead leaves with clean, sharp scissors. Rotate the pot occasionally to ensure even growth. Aloe vera plants don't require much fertilization. You can feed them with a diluted, balanced houseplant fertilizer once or twice a year during the growing season. Aloe vera plants produce pups or offshoots that can be removed and potted separately to grow new plants. Wait until the pup is about 1/5 the size of the parent plant before removing it. Finally, patience is key. It will take a few weeks for your aloe vera plant to settle in and start growing, but once it does, you'll have a beautiful, useful plant that can soothe burns, moisturize skin, and even purify the air in your home. Isn't that amazing? That's it. An easy step-by-step guide to grow your very own aloe vera plant. Happy gardening!